4 hours trader, arrow alert, indicator, support and resistance indicator, CCI, period 16, level 30 AD 60, indicator semicolon trend strength indicator, rules, 4H trader advanced trading system long entry 4H trader indicator, arrow buy, is above support line, CCI indicator greater than 70 level, trend strength up trend greater than 50, short entry 4H trader indicator, arrow sell, is below the resistance line, CCI indicator less than 30 level, trend strength down trend greater than 50, exit position options at the opposite arrow, profit target predetermined, examples your/used 60 pips, odd/used 55 pips, USD/CHF 50 pips, GBP/used 60 pips, GPB/GPY 70 pips. Place initial stop loss on the previous swing, after 30 pips in gain move stop loss at entry position. This strategy 4H trader advanced trading system is also good for trading on the binary options. In the pictures below 4H trader advanced trading system in action. 4HBO indicator is a binary option indicator that you can download for free. The indicator system is more suitable for both binary and swing traders. We recommend H4 timeframes with 4 to 5 candles to trade binary option, and to trade swing trading, we recommend H1 and H4 timeframes. But you can use any timeframes. The indicator system contains buy and sell zones and arrows. Read the following information related to 4HBO indicator. Works with MT4 only works well with any time frames, 15 minutes or higher recommended works well with any currency pairs and assets such as stocks, commodities, cryptos, precious metals, oil, gas, etc. Study how to trade with news during important news periods. Forex trading, binary option trading, and stock trading are high risks and have high returns. Your fund will be lost if you are not making the right decisions at the right time. So, our recommendation is to study Forex A to Z, and then anybody will be able to trade confidently. 4HBO indicator includes the following indicators: expert advisors, templates, libraries, presets indicators Me Bollinger Band, X4 outside inside. X4 outside inside. MQ4 pin bar _ mod. X4 simple _ SR. X4 expert advisors no. Any expert advisors included templates 4H binary option indicator. TPL learn Forex and binary trading free of charge and get more profitable Forex signals through 4HBO indicator. Indicators team has provided the following useful learning methods, which are for beginner level traders to expert level traders. Visit ProFX Learning Center. Visit ProFX ebook store. You can completely free learn A to Z about Forex trading, binary option trading and stock trading, and more about trading from the above sources. Learning is very important because indicators are only a program developed by a person with someone's strategy. Your own experiences will bring you more successful and profitable Forex signals. ProFX Learning Center provides articles and lesson series related to the following topics: fundamentals of trading, trading platforms, indicators, systems, strategies, and expert advisor strategies, advanced trading techniques, step-by-step practical sessions, and test your trading improvement. Future trading. This trading system is based on the RSI indicator on 4H chart and daily chart. Daily chart determine the trade. If RSI indicator, 8, periods on daily chart greater than 50, only buy. If RSI indicator, 8, periods, on daily chart less than 50 only sell. Trading rules for 4H RSI trading method multi-time frame 4H and day. Currency pairs, any, Forex indicators, RSI indicator, 8, periods. EMA channel formed by two exponentials moving averages 25 periods, high and low. Long entry buy only when RSI indicator is above level 50 at daily time frame candle closed above 25 EMA and the last two candles must bull candles, blue candles. RSI 8 at 4 hours must be above level 50. Short entry sell only when RSI indicator is below level 50 at daily time frame candle closed below 25 EMA and the last two candles must bear candles, blue candles. RSI 8 at 4 hours must be above level 50. Exit position take profit ratio 1.4 stop loss. Profit target on the support and resistance lines. Profit target predetermined that depends by currency pairs. Initial stop loss on the previous swing, after 40 pips in gain move stop loss at the entry point. September 3rd, RSI 8 greater than 50 on the TF daily, only buy on the 4H TF. Extract from the file RAR or zip. Copy indicators MQ4 to MetaTrader directory, experts, indicators/copy template TPL file to MetaTrader directory/template, TPL/start or restart your MetaTrader client. Select chart and time frame where you want to test your template. Search custom template in menu chart/template/ ... attached to a chart for remove template TPL from MetaTrader chart. Select the chart where is the running in MetaTrader client. Right click into the chart templates list. Select the template in use and delete. The best templates of this page are KGBS template system. The best master Forex Semarang Extreme. Golden _ trend.